Hello everybody, my name is JT and today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this Samsung QN85B TV. So this Samsung TV is a Neo QLED 4K 120Hz TV. This is a mini LED quantum TV. It is supported by Dolby Atmos audio. It comes with 2 USB ports, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, a LAN port, an optical port, and it has Bluetooth and it also has Wi-Fi as well. The TV's operating system is Tizen and is regularly updated. It has a wide variety of applications you can download. Apart from the regular apps like Netflix, Hulu, HBO, and other platforms, you can also download a wide variety of platforms that is included in this operating system. You can actually customize where you want to place the icons, which is a nice feature on this TV. The main home screen gives you all the information of the applications that you have on the TV itself. So one of the main features on this TV that really stands out the most is the ambient mode. So what it does is basically it acts like a screen protector. And there's a wide variety of options you can actually pick from. You can actually pick beautiful scenery, or you can pick as well art pictures as well. They have a wide variety of pictures or videos you can actually pick from. This actually reminds me of the Samsung Frame TV. You have a wide variety of selection in the settings options. You can pick all the audio quality. You can pick the brightness, the contrast, and there are many options in there as well. There's the game mode as well, and there is a connectivity and a couple of other things that you could pick in this settings on this TV. Another cool feature about the TV is that it has a picture-in-picture mode. So what that does, it allows you to play your PlayStation 5 at the same time watching TV in a small screen. Or if you have a partner, they can watch TV and you can play games, or vice versa. Another thing that stands out about this TV is the fact that it's 120 Hz and it has brilliant colors and it's very smooth while playing. So I'm on this console and it does give me 120 Hz refresh rate on the console. So if you're looking for this TV for video games, you definitely will not regret it. The TV comes with this elegant, beautiful control by Samsung. So the Samsung control is more of a minimalistic control. It has a scroll wheel, a button, and it has certain buttons preset to Netflix, Prime, and Disney as well. This is USB-C connection to charge it, but it has a nice other feature that it has a solar panel on the back, so you can charge it that way as well. The screen is anti-reflective, so you don't really have to worry about seeing your reflection on the screen itself. It is very bright, 1500 nits in total. As for the speakers themselves, they're very loud. So if you're looking for a new TV that has 120 Hz, that has very bright nits, and it has really good audio, you might want to consider this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.